30 minutes before. Phone feels louder than usual. Your brain wants comfort one last time. 12 hours before. You commit to change. The mental game officially begins. Day 1. Nothing dramatic yet. Life feels mostly the same. Day 2. Small urges appear randomly. You notice habits more clearly. Day 3. Body feels a bit weird, harder to sit still. Day 4. Thoughts wander more than usual. Focus comes and goes. Day 5. Cravings feel stronger today. Self-control starts being tested. Day 6. Irritation shows up easily. Emotions feel slightly unstable. Day 7. You feel proud of yourself. Confidence gets a small boost. Day 8. Sleep feels lighter or shorter. Dreams may feel more vivid. Day 9. Everything feels a bit boring. Your brain misses easy pleasure. Day 10. Concentration slowly improves. Distractions are easier to notice. Day 11. Mind feels quiet at times. Less constant mental chatter. Day 12. Energy feels more stable. Less random tiredness. Day 13. Urges still exist, but weaker. You trust yourself more. Day 14. Discipline feels real now. Confidence rises naturally. Day 15. Thoughts feel sharper. Decision-making improves. Day 16. Less emotional ups and downs. You feel more grounded. Day 17. You want to do more. Small tasks feel easier. Day 18. Old patterns lose strength. Urges pass faster. Day 19. You respond instead of reacting. Mind feels more disciplined. Day 20. No need to prove anything. Self-respect feels stronger. Day 21. This starts feeling normal. You're in control, not the habit.